Hey there, Shankar, everybody. Welcome back for another amazing video. Today, we're going to be talking about are bonds halal? And without any further ado, let's get this video started. So to start off, let's talk about what are bonds. Bonds are an asset that governments use to lend themselves money, or a way that they can guarantee returns on investment through fixed income, which is interest based. I think I answered the question already. And that way, that's how they raise capital to, for their operating expenditure and, different things. And these bonds are bought by local people. They're also bought by international investors. They're also bought by, from one municipality or one province to another province. So there's a lot of buying and selling of these bonds. Now, I'll give you one example. Let's just say a specific region within, let's say one province needs about $1 million to do a new project, a new road or a new investment of some sort to increase cash flow into their province. So to raise funds, to raise capitals, they'll issue some bonds. Now these are all graded from and that's three A's, and then there's B, BB, BBBB, CC, and so that's the quality. AAA is the best quality and known as the most secure, the most safest, and the best. So a lot of governments want to hit those ratings, and that from those issuance of those bonds, they'll be able to raise the capital because investors, businessmen, other provinces will invest into it, and they'll be able to make a usually a 5, 6, 4, 2, 3, 1% return on investment. The interest rates also are dependent on the country's interest rates, and the interest rates are also dependent on the demand of the bonds. So all these things matter. Anywho, your conventional bonds, which currently majority of the governments are using, are haram, because your return on investment when you buy those bonds is actually riba based. It's fixed income that they give back to you from their operating expenditure. So directly conventional bonds are impermissible. You can check it out in the description below. Hope you guys like this video. As always, take care of yourself. Assalamu alaikum. Subscribe, like, share, hit that bell icon for notifications. Follow me on TikTok and Instagram for more content. I'll be uploading more stuff in all of these social media websites. Thanks. Take care. Salam.